How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this random letters effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First of all, select the type tool or click T on your keyboard and then click anywhere on your screen. So just here, let's say, put in whatever you like. I'm just going to put text for now. It's just a placeholder. Then just click away, press V or select the selection tool, and we are going to recenter this. So first of all, in the effect controls, just open up the text and click on this to align it like so. If it helps, you can go full screen, because what we need to do now is hold Control and click on this little crosshair and center it just like that until it locks in. Then head all the way down to the transform settings of the text and reset the parameter. Oh, and of course the font. If you haven't already, change the font. If you change it after, you might have to just redo this part. So really all you have to do is just do that. Lock it in place and reset it. Simple. I want my text to start about, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 frames ahead, 4 frames in front of my clip. And I'm just going to change it to whatever I like. So I'm just going to put Kageyama. Then just extend it to as long as you like. Now, this is the fun part. We are going to remove some of the letters, but in a sequence. So let's say letter 1, not letter 2, but letter 3, not letter 4, but letter 5. So go 1, 3, 5, and so on. We're going to replace it with a random letter. So we could do something like, let's say, an exclamation mark like that. Do the same for the other letters, so the third one as well. I'm gonna maybe change it to, let's go a $sign. How about that? Next one, so it's the Y for me, and just keep on repeating this process. So for that, I'm just gonna put like a hashtag, and for the M, I'm gonna put a percentage. So at this point, we've changed 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, meaning as we go by through the timeline, it's going to cut down and revert to its original form. However, these changes will be made every 2 frames. So if I just head 1, 2 frames ahead and make a cut, let's cut down how many there are. So if there are 4, we can do something like 3 or 2, but we are going to swap these with another letter. So instead of the first one, we could do the second. So if I just restore this one back to a capital letter K and just change the A to an exclamation mark, and then I'll do the same for maybe this one as well. So what was it? K-A-G. And then here I had a Y, so I'll just put that back there. And then I might change the next letter to let's go a $sign, and then remove the percentage and replace it with an M. So now we've got 1, 2. Now I'm not sure if I want one more because it looks fine. So if you would like to, you can change the last letter. For the sake of this, I am going to do it anyway. Maybe just put like a hashtag at the end. Then I'm going to proceed about 1, 2 frames ahead, make a cut. And now we are going to restore it even more. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to restore all of them just so it's a bit easier for me. So there you go, back to its original text. But like the beginning, I might change the K at the beginning, so the first letter. And what did I not change before? So I did not change the E, so I might just go for that. I just put like a underscore. 1, 2 frames ahead, make another cut. And this should be the last one, so I'm just going to put that back to K. Get rid of this underscore, replace it back with an A. Get rid of the last letter and put a underscore. 1, 2. Make a cut and fill it in with the original letter. That should hopefully look good. I don't actually know, but let's take a look, and that is pretty good. If you think that's a bit too slow, you can trim it down to 1 frame each. So just follow what I do. I'm just pushing these next to each cut that I have made and just extending that so it turns out looking like this, which may be a bit too quick for you. So it really does depend on what your preference is. In fact, what I am going to do is extend the second one, just because why not, to create a pause, so like that. And also I did create a flicker using the first cut because there is a gap between the first and the second, so you can see it creates a flicker. And this is the result. Now here are a few tips. If you would like to, you can pair this with effects, let's say for example S-shake or maybe turbulent displace, just to create some distortion. So a simple keyframe at the beginning and one at the end to like 200 with a graph could look something like this. So yeah, just keep experimenting, add on random effects, whatever you see. You never know what you might achieve. Anyways, thank you to my monthly supporters. I will share this project file on the Discord server. Members only chat, of course. Sorry everyone, but thank you for watching. Peace.